Tanisha here, coming to you guys with a quick unboxing video. I'm really excited to share with you what I just received from Triad Math Incorporated. You see that right there on the screen, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into what was sent to us to review. This is a book that they had out, Mastering the TI-30Xa Scientific Calculator. This book houses 25 lessons, guys. Not one, not two, not 10, but 25 lessons that you can access in order to learn how to use this calculator right here with proficiency. Now, this book also comes with, the purchase of this book will also give you access to their online lessons via Moodle. It's important that you note that every single lesson in here does have a tutorial. Now, we just got this, but I wanted to go ahead and just share it with you so you can see what we'll be using. This is going to be used for Bear. Now, he is not ready for trigonometry yet, so he will be just operating through the first 15 lessons, and then he might be able to tackle a little bit of the last lessons depending on how he does with the first 15. But the first 15 lessons basically give you basic knowledge and use of this. As I was flipping through it earlier, it even has a whole lesson on how to turn it off, how to turn it on, what the basic functions are when you're using this calculator. And it's also important to know in order to use this book, you're going to need this calculator, okay? You need the exact calculator that is shown here as well as shown here, all right? Or this will not work. I am very appreciative that so far, not only do you get access to the Moodle and to the lessons that way, but every single one comes with exercises. He's really good about sending out tips and just things that you can do as parents to help and get better understanding. And then I also saw right back here in the back of the book, let me just kind of flip to that, guys. I don't want to show you everything, but in the back of the book, there is even some things for those who are looking for careers in STEM and higher level education, even past trigonometry. So I cannot wait to jump in this. I actually am excited to review this a little bit as well, because as he learns higher level math, it gives me a chance to kind of go back and review, because you guys know I've said it a million times, math is my favorite subject. I love how math is so absolute. And also in the back here, real quick, I saw that he noted some special pages for homeschoolers, those who are looking for a technical career. There is a special note back here as well for them. People in the military, special note for you. College bound, if you're not doing STEM studies, how this book can be helpful to you as well. STEM students, all ages, and I do believe most of this information in this book is for students who, once you understand the decimal system, so I was about to say about 10, 11 and up. And then this last note is for math students ages 10 and upwards. So just some information on how you can use this. Don't be afraid to grab it, because it is specifically for this calculator. Just because it is specifically designed for this calculator, please note that this can be used for those who are not yet in higher level math, because this right here will give you access to general math, algebra, and general science, guys. So you can use this not just in math, but you can use this information to help with the upper and higher level science courses as well, all right? If you want to see the review, you already know, go to www.tanishakemp.com. There you can see what I wrote, what the thoughts are after we have used this. In addition to that, guys, make sure that you like this video, share it with another homeschooling family or another family who has a child that needs information about how to work through this scientific calculator, how they can get better and be more proficient at it. And guess what, guys? I'm just going to go ahead and say it. This book is not expensive at all. The main thing about Triad Math is they like to create things that everybody can easily access, not just children, but adult students as well. So this book is only $15 or less. I'm just saying, go to the blog post and you'll see what I'm talking about. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.